Okay, so let's get started with Premiere Pro. To open Premiere Pro, you'll either have this lovely purple icon down here that says PR on it, or if you haven't got it there for whatever reason, you open up Finder, then go to Applications, and then you'll find here Adobe Premiere Pro, and you can double click that one there. That will open up Premiere Pro. Then, all being well, the first screen you'll see will be this one here. It'll ask you either to open a recent project, start a new project, open a project, or help. What we want to do is we want to start a new project. So if we click on that one there, it will present you with this one here, which gives you lots of settings. Do not touch any of these. Do not touch anything on scratch disks. They should all be set up and working fine. The only thing I'd recommend you change is maybe the location if you don't want it saved in your documents folder, and definitely the name of it. So we'll call this one Scrap Test, just so we've got a nice name that I can find it again. Click on OK. Then here we have another vast selection of different options, and all you need to do is make sure you've got HDV and you've selected either 1080p or 720p. I'd recommend we work on 1080p 24 frames, but if your computer is really slow, switch down to 720p. It's just a smaller file size. It'll be easier for the Macs to deal with. So we'll go with 720p for now. Again, you might want to rename it your sequence. We'll call this testing sequence. You don't need to touch any of the settings or the tracks. Just leave it as it is and then click on OK. Then here we have our main Premiere Pro screen. So if you've managed to do all that, it should look something like this. Now, the different parts of the screen are fairly simple. In here is where you'll collect all your different files. Down here is a timeline where you'll put everything in order as you edit them together. And here is the preview of what it will look like when it's done. In the next video, of course, I will show you how to import footage and get started. But there we go.